Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem TechBD.
Why does Linux seem so much faster than Windows? Seem is the right word. Recently, I used Windows XP on 15-year-old laptop, and it also seemed more snappy than Windows 11 on $4,000 laptop. The main reason is because newer versions of Windows do everything asynchronously, so nothing on user interface is immediate like it was before. From technical point of view, when you click on something, this action is added to the queue for the next dispatch of frame interface update. Then the unnecessary animation starts, chops away at 15 to 60 frames per second, and even if this is half a second, it feels a lot longer. Many programs are also slower to start and run, like for example .NET programs, which are shipped as intermediate code and are actually compiled, built each time you run them. And each time program starts new function that wasn't used, that function gets compiled to the native code and executed. You reopen the program, it has to do the same thing again. Compare that to programs that are already compiled to native code and user's machine is just running it. The same programs also collects garbage and occasionally sometimes seconds apart, sometimes longer. They have to stop execution and clean the garbage bits in memory that program used but are no longer needed. While this happens fast, it happens often, sometimes during mentioned animation, so you can notice that compared to which makes it feel really slow.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.